Finally made it to Knott's. Tonight we'll do Scary Farm, but for now, it's Spooky Farm. All right, it's time for candy. Hello.
Make sure you get my good shot, my good side, okay?
Hello. Time for something tacky. Just kidding.
All right. Happy Halloween.
So this is the event guide. Some candy. Thank you. And it brings it up on your phone like that. Okay, now over at the Ghost Town, some spooky M&Ms.
So there we go, spooky M&Ms.
Thank
Enjoy.
you. Sure have. Well, not here. Thank you. More candy. I missed one earlier.
I see that orange bag.
Yep. That bag's almost as big as the orange bag.
Why is it always the kids' t-shirt that looks better? Isn't it? The kids'
Yes.
t-shirts are always better.
$22.99, pretty good.
Oh, that's cool. Look, they got Snoopy ears.
Yeah. And then I have the pumpkins on the
How
inside,
much is
jack-o'-lanterns.
that
I'm
one?
not
That one?
seeing it.
The price on
Oh, it's on the inside.
$12.99.
Oh, that's a pretty good price. It says cute, but interesting. Over here is Spooky Farm.
Yeah, I mean, at least they've done proper merch for it, which is
Yeah.
good.
See, now this is the shirt that I saw online. This is the shirt that I want.
Yes.
In purple. Now I can get it in black, which is cool, but I want it in purple.
So really good price, $19.99. So the price is
Yeah.
brilliant.
It's actually not that. This is a kid's shirt, isn't it?
I think these are the adult.
Oh, I guess you. Oh, well, there you go. I'm gonna buy that. I believe online it was only kids. $26.99. That's a little bit pricey.
It's pretty good.
It's a bald-headed vampire. $26.99. If you have to ask, you. Oh, hold on. We'll get to that in a second. $19.99. That's. Oh, you already saw that, but that's the actual price. If you have to ask the price for this, you can't afford it. That you're gonna have to pay extra.
I think that there's so much.
Here they are. Okay, like I said, yeah, they did not show the adult size. They only had the kid size when I looked. Maybe it's been added. I don't know. Again, $19.99 for an adult size shirt. That's really good. Ooh, I like this. That's cool.
Yeah, it's cool that they've done like a proper
These buckets of cotton candy are huge. Probably like
full of air.
mostly air. Yeah.
That would be cool if they did like a print of that, like a poster.
Yeah. It's hard to see. Here, let me just.
That's quite cool.
I actually brought a little Snoopy like this with me for the set. What is this?
The no boo necklace.
Oh yes, controversial Nobu necklace. $12.99. One of these little Snoopies might be going home with me. Yeah, it happened. I like it.
So I love a bargain. There you go. 50%.
Well, that's a really great design. Oh, that is the design we just saw.
Yeah, so that'd be $10.
No, I look like an idiot. More than usual.
Yeah, so that'd be $10.
But this is cute.
This is cool.
This is more fall, but I like it. Now, while we're looking at all these pumpkins, you know we're going to have to look for the great pumpkin. Woodstock's Bird Bath, which is always here, yes, but they spooked it up.
It's just sitting on a little pumpkin. That's cool.
Yeah. And if you really, really, really like these, you can buy one.
Oh wow, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Which, honestly, tempting.
They're the $20 price.
Oh, $20, thank you.
I got
It was probably somewhere there. And if you ever run out of them over here, you can just grab an extra one. Oh, look at this.
Oh, wow, look.
Now, apologies for those of you who've come through here many times before. All of this Spooky Farm and Scary Farm is new to me. So if it's new to you, then, okay, cool. But you're probably thinking like, oh, yeah, they did that the last 20 years. I don't know. Great theming. Again, very, very little wait time for this, so of course, spooky prizes. You are live on the internet. Oh, that is scary. It's only 73 degrees, but it's sunny, so it feels warmer. Hopefully, it's not going to be too warm, because when I stream when it's hot outside, it dims the screen, so I can't read it. I can't see it. Ooh, it's getting spooky, even though it's, you know, still very bright out. There's some nice cobwebs and theming in here. This is cool. Taking his time, her time, I'm not sure. Snakes. Snake oil. Hey, that's not a snake. Spiders. These weren't set up earlier. You can walk right over to them. See the well, he was eating earlier, so he can get a better shot of the full body shot. Oh, there we go. That is the same exact position I have a picture of him in from 2019. Pretty much the exact same spot. Those look good. Love the Snoopies. The media photos look better. These are cute. Now that's a big ass bun. Some of the treats you get at the candy stations. If you want to just buy it. Here's an interactive game. It's a lot like the shooting galleries, but you use the interactive lantern. It's another carny game. This one, you can get one of these prizes, which is cool. Oh.
I threw beanbags, sorry.
Okay. Oh, okay. I was wondering because I didn't see anything to throw. I'm like, that's weird.
Show your appreciation for the Bob Baker Marionette Theater as they present their Halloween Spooktacular.
We are the Bob Baker Marionettes, and we're so excited to be here to put on a show for you all.
natural thing. You see she's ghostly, ghostly. Up and down my spine a new sensation crawls. Fastly, ghastly. The way she floats on air and walks through walls. Indeed she's ghostly, ghostly. Try to kiss her and she'll vanish into blue. Flighty. It's hard to say just when she'll reappear. When I'm with her, a holiday is every day with her is Halloween.
Just to catch a joke off of my electro. They did the mash. They did the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. They did the mash. We come home to the flag. The monster mash. They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was a-rockin', oh, we're digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his bay and hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group. The Crypt Digger 5, they did the mash. They did the monster mash. The monster mash. They called home to the flood. They did the mash. It was a graveyard smash. The monster mash. They did the monster mash. Out from his coffin, Drax voice did ring. Seemed he was troubled by just one thing. He opened his lid and he shook his fist. He said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist, y'all? It's now the mash. It's now the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. We caught on in a fuck. The monster mash. They did the monster mash. Now everything is cool. Drax part of the band, and this monster mash is now the hit of the land. And for you, the living, this mash is meant to. So when you get to my door, you tell them Horace sent you. They did the mash. They did the monster mash. The monster mash.
Why a double bass for double? So I'm back home from my amazing trip. I'm just finally catching up with all the editing. Sorry for the delay in posting. This is the first time I'm actually shooting with my iPhone and my Sony in the studio, so let me know how that looks. Instead of just faking two cameras, I'm actually using two cameras. A lot of the things at Knott's overlapped between Spooky and Scary Farm, so it was kind of hard to figure out which to show and which not to show. Also, I started planning the details of this trip a few months before, not realizing the day that I had already picked, the 28th of September, I had already picked in far in advance to be the day I'd spend the whole day at Knott's, not even realizing that was the first day of Spooky Farm. I'm not sure why the kids event always starts like a week later. Same thing with SeaWorld. But it was great that we were able to grab one of the little orange trick-or-treat bags and go to all the candy stations. Everyone was fine with that, maybe because I had my camera and it was opening day, I don't know. I know Ed said that he tried to grab another bag the next day and got that whole, oh, you're an adult, you can't trick-or-treat here. So I didn't see that firsthand, but I've definitely experienced that at Legoland. Aside from that, it was a really cool, really cute event. I enjoyed going to it. So I'm glad that I saw both events in the daytime and in the evening. I put a little bit of that band on stage, not really my type of music, but it was part of the event. So I had to go back on Saturday because the band and the marionette show was only on the weekends, unfortunately, but luckily I had enough time before heading to LA for the second part of the trip. But again, it's my first time at Knott's Spooky Farm. This is a great shirt, so obviously I had to buy it. And as you see over there, Snoopy is now part of the set. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, haunt season never ends.